is exciting. This is exciting.
No, I'm not. I can't see. I can't see.
What is he doing? Is he dead? Hello? Hello? Are you there? Diesel? Oh, hey buddy, how you doing? He's a good boy. He's out here. While I'm working, he's out here just relaxing and chilling. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. Today we got a good one for me. So as you guys do know, I have this golf cart up here, and it's kind of been sitting here for, I'd say, I don't know, probably a little over a year, maybe a year and a half. I don't exactly know how long I've had this thing, but my parents live in an electric community down in like Tampa, Florida area. So as you guys do know, I don't know which video you're going to see first, but as you guys do know, I actually have to go to Tampa, Florida to pick up the new vehicle for the channel, or I have already picked it up. So one of the ways, I got to take a trailer anyway. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to surprise my parents with this electric vehicle that they can then run around. They won't have to jump in their they have a Nissan Xterra. They won't have to jump in their Xterra to drive around the community anymore when they need to go get their mail or anything like that. They'll be able to jump in the golf cart and kind of go get whatever they want. Plus, I'm sure they're retired. I mean, they're probably just going to drive around looking at things in the golf cart. So what better time than now to give them this go-kart, or I keep saying go-kart, but golf cart. I mean, it's perfect. I got to go that way. They want it. I'm going there. I might as well drop it off to them. So let's get it loaded up and we are off to Florida. Now, I know this probably is going to go in there too with the other video, but we have a 14.5-hour drive. I don't think my trailer is up for the snuff. I definitely need tires, and I need tires really, really badly. As you can tell, they are just dry rotting like no other here, you can tell. And the other thing is there's actually, you can see that bolt there is actually splitting. So I actually have to put new springs in here, which is going to be another video. And I got to get new tires for this thing. These tires are in absolute terrible shape. So I called Mike, Street Speed 717, and said, hey, bud, can I borrow your trailer? He said, absolutely, bud. Go over, grab it, and, you know, enjoy yourself. Have the time of your life. I know the vehicle that we're picking up will fit on it. Obviously we know the golf cart will fit on it. So let's go ahead and get the golf cart loaded up, and we are gonna go pick up the kids, and we are off to see Nan and Paul and surprise them. I'm freaking pumped, guys. I mean, I didn't even tell my kids that we're gonna give them the go-kart or golf cart. So here we go. Let's get it loaded up, and we're en route to Florida. Whew. I'm ready. I could use a little vacation. Not that this is a vacation, this is more like work because I got to get the other vehicle, but let's get it loaded. All right, guys, well, we have got it loaded up. Let's go get the girls, and we are off to Florida. Alrighty, well, we are fueled up. I had about a quarter tank left. It is a 40-gallon tank in here, but we got the kids in here. We got the golf cart on the back. We're ready to go. You guys excited?
Yeah.
You more excited about the golf cart delivery, or are you more excited about the thing we're picking up?
Yeah.
Huh?
Both.
And to see Nana's dog and house.
Yeah, because we didn't get to see their house yet.
All right. 2:30 in the morning, $100 in, 33 gallons, and we're doing pretty good. I mean, the kids are now awake because we just fueled up, but it is 1:43 in the morning. I think we are, I'd say 400 miles in, 393, and she's not doing too bad, getting about 14.2 mile per gallon. I'll take it. All right, let's keep plugging and chugging. Stop number 3, another $90 in and 50 cents, and we actually had to stop along the way because I had a little bit of a trailer wiring issue. Luckily I keep tools in here. I had no trailer lights, and I ended up having to hardwire straight from a pigtail up here, as you can see. straight so that I had trailer lights, because obviously getting stopped is no fun. So now we have our trailer lights. We're still ready to lock and load it. So let's get back on the road. We got about 2.5 hours left until we get to our destination to pick up our new toy, our new car. Alrighty guys, well, we have got the new vehicle for the channel loaded up, and I am freaking pumped. I really wish I could show you guys. Unfortunately, the only thing you can see right now is the go-kart, or golf cart that we're giving to my parents right now. But behind that is, in fact, our new vehicle for the channel. And I mean, it is crazy. It's insane, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I got about an 1.5-hour drive down to where my parents live, and we're gonna hang out with them for the evening and go to Disney and things like that. But right here, I guess I'll go ahead and I'm already at my parents at this point, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little montage of what we purchased. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I can't wait to really get into videos and explain this thing to you guys. All right guys, so we got the golf cart. I keep calling it go-kart. We got I almost did it again. We got the golf cart down here, and in every single driveway there is actually like a golf cart. So I'm actually pretty excited to be giving this to Nan and Paul, and I hope they enjoy it. I mean, I think they're going to, obviously. How can they not enjoy it? So basically one of the things too is I plugged it in a while to try to get it to charge, because it has been sitting in my yard. So if it needs batteries, we'll get that taken care of and all that. But let's go surprise Nan and Paul with their, not brand new, but their brand new golf cart. Riley's trying to just chase lizards. Unbelievable.
Geckos.
All right, let's go surprise Nan and Paul. All right, knock on this door. Tell them we gotta go, because if we don't leave for Disney now, we're not going.
What? Why can't we go at 10?
Well, here, use that to your effect.
Help Nan and Paul get this stuff out.
We have this shit to do.
They still don't know yet.
This is our food.
They probably think I'm just being weird and recording the kids.
Is this over right now? Hey, baby.
Well, I would, but I lost him again.
Oh my god.
And we're still not ready to go to Disney.
This is
All I want to do is load the golf cart and go to Disney. We're leaving straight from Disney to go back home too, by the way.
Yeah.
So I get no sleep again.
No.
You're going out an hour or two early to sleep.
Probably not.
Sit. Yes, you
You
are.
said it's
Sit.
you said you're pulling low.
Sit.
I did, however, tell them that we may end up stopping and sleeping, but I highly doubt it. Oh, they take forever.
We supposed to go now?
All I want to do is go to Disney.
Me too. I mean, Animal Kingdom.
No, magic.
What?
Finally.
All right, so we're not actually loading the golf cart. I keep calling it go-kart, but this is now yours. We're not taking it back with us.
I gotta fix the seat.
Well, that gives you something to do. You got all this downtime, being retired, living the dream.
No, Daddy. Ta-da! Reach into the magic.
No horn?
No horn. Well, maybe at a later date.
No horn.
Reach into the magical thing.
Does it start?
I'm just glad I don't have to reload this thing.
That's pretty. That's
Does it start?
yes.
It's electric, but it's definitely, we're gonna have to try to
This
get back.
is the button. This is the button.
It's broken.
Unbelievable.
It needs a trunk.
Well, enjoy your golf cart,
What's that?
and let's go to Disney now. I think I did say go-kart. I keep calling it a go-kart, guys. So if you keep hearing me say go-kart, it's a golf cart. You guys know what I mean. But we're not taking it back to PA, so.
Golf cart full of people.
Because
All right, this is sort of why we had to tell them to, because we were going to drive that up to get the truck, but they got to give us a ride. So, off to the truck.
The rain, and the first 3
Oh my god. It like hit me and then I opened my eyes and then the big rush hit me. Oh.
I thought it was over and then it big splash hit.
Yeah. Well, there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload. It's over. Say bye. Bye.